guys, we got a 2019 Kia Stinger. This is what it sounds like before. And it's in sport mode too, and it's still super quiet. Here's sound decibels. Right at 80, guys. It's nothing. Again. Again. So we gotta change that. Gotta give it some noise. Stay tuned. We got a 2019 Kia Stinger. I think it wants to sting him. He's running away.
I'm not gonna say anything.
Anyways, Kia Stinger 4-cylinder turbo. Check it out, guys. Really nice white color. And it is a turbo. Don't underestimate these Kias, man. They're awesome cars. Factory converter there, downpipe. Then what we put on it is a CARVEN R series. Part number right there. CVESR 25. Be a link in the description for it. There was just pipe there. We added it there. Then it factory wise out like this. Then usually there's two huge mufflers that come here, and here we'll show them to you guys that connect to these tips that are built into the bumper. So we cut the mufflers off and custom bent it to fit a muffler delete, as you guys can see there and right there. There's the two mufflers that were on it. As you can see, they're gigantic to make it quiet. It literally sounded like a sewing machine. It was so quiet. There's the two mufflers. We took them off and straight piped it, other than the CARVEN. So we did a rear muffler delete and a CARVEN in the middle. Check it out, guys. Let us know what you guys think of the sound in the comments, okay? And like always, guys, like, comment, make sure you subscribe. Turn on the seat warmers. Oh, that's better. It is something. What? Turn on the seat warmers. It's cold. Not bad at all. Oh, it sounds so good. Oh, it's got a tone. CARVEN R in the middle. Go with the CARVEN. Look, it gives it a really sexy tone. CARVEN sounds so good on turbos. Let you guys hear on the inside. It was in eco mode before, so here it is in sport mode. This is the customer riveted now. Yeah, it got louder. Kia Stinger 4-cylinder turbo. Sucker flies. Beast mode. Enjoy, guys.